Hello viewers, how are you? Hopefully you are fine. Here I will show you a live example of my MT5 system. Okay, here you can see this is my buy position. Here you can see, okay, and my take profit is almost when the candle touch to the upper band line. Okay, and here you can see this one. Okay, and same like when this line is green one. Okay, and the candle touch to the lower band line, here you can open your buy position and close the trade when the candle touch to the upper band line. Okay, same condition is here. I open my buy position. Here you can see you will get a lot of entries in the 1 minute time frame I'm using. Here you can see, okay, and let's the chart is looking very not look like good, so we have need to go to the we do not need grid. Okay, and the colors should be the green or black, or black on white, on yellow on black. That's fine, that's look better. Okay, now it's look better. So here you can see you have need to open the buy position. I know here you will see there's two band line. Okay, here you can see there's two band lines here. The first band line is the green and the red one, and the second is actually the TMA. Here the second dotted line is a TMA. Okay, and here you can see when the line is green one and the candle touch to the TMA line or the green line, you have need to open your buy position. Here you can open your sell position and take profit when candle touch to the line. Here you can see this one, and here I am showing you a live example, a live demo example as well. Okay, when that candle touch to the upper here dotted line, you can close your trade, or if you want like big profit, then the candle touch to the upper band line, that is also fine. Okay, both are very good. Okay, and here you can see I will show you a live example today. Okay, I will show you a complete trade, and the market will go down, then I will open my second buy position and will show you a live example. This is the best MT4 indicators, and here you can see today is Sunday, so I cannot show you the results in other markets, but I can show you the results in um, real BTC, and here you can see it's gave you a very good result. And here we have need to book our profit when candle touch uh, come upside from this dotted line, okay, or TML line, then you have need to close your trade. Here we have need to close our trade, and we have need to find our second entry. Okay, that's fine actually. Okay, okay, we can wait for some time. Okay, we have need to wait at least we have need to book around $3.5 in each trade. Okay, so that's why I have need to wait more, because I know the market goes up, will go upside. Okay, and I am showing you the live demo example. Okay, because I know mostly people are looking for at least the people who are selling the indicator, at least they have need to show you the back testing, or if they cannot show you the back test, at least they have need to show you the real life example. Okay, or the real trades. Okay, I am showing you the trades in the real account. In the here you can see it's look amazing one, and here you can see. Okay, I had need to wait for some more time, and unfortunately we missed this take profit, um, because it's my new account in MT5. Previous account, I am not showing you the previous one. I do not know how the people hack the MT5 or MT4 account. I do not know. Here we got another take profit point, so we have need to take profit at this point now. Okay, we have need to wait, and here we need to close our trade. Okay, I can wait for some more time because I know the market will go upside. If the market goes downside, do not worry, we have need to open one more position. And let me show you a live example. Here you can see there we got two opportunities, but I did not book my profit. Okay, why? Because I know the market will go upside, so that is the reason I did not book my profit. Okay, video is going lengthy, and let's wait for some time, because when I close the trade, then I will end the video. And one more thing here, yes, I know my English is not so good, but I am always trying my best to give you the best explanation and give you the best my best indicator, because I put a lot of effort to make this indicator. And finally this my MT5 system indicator is ready, and I use multiple confirmation in this indicator. I use the TMA as well. TMA band is actually this one. This is the TMA band. Okay, you can see TMA center. You can TMA indicator is free of cost, available on TradingView. Oh, sorry, in the internet. Okay, but the second, this is the best. This is the thing that I make. Okay, and the second indicator TMA actually it is just giving you a little confirmation, that's it. Okay, nothing more. So I think we have need to take profit, and then we will I will come back with another entry, and then we'll show you the results. Okay, for the next video. Bye bye, take care. Okay, here we go the profit. Here you can see this is the take profit, and you can see it gave you a very good results. Okay, I think I know the market will go upside, and then the market will go down, and then we'll open one more position if the this line will be the red. Sorry, the if this line will be the green one. Okay, if the line is green one and the market go downside, at least try to come between these two line, then we will open. I will open buy position. Okay, so hopefully you will love this as usual, and any question, any query, you can ask me. And for the next video, bye bye, take care. And in the next video I will show you the more trades. Okay, around 7 to 8 minutes, and in the 7 to 8 minutes if you are getting around $4 to $5 with the lot size, minimum lot size 2.02 or 0.01, that's fine. Okay, but mostly people contact me would have a low balance, so that's why I am showing you with the minimum lot size. Okay, you can trade easily with lot size 0.01 or 0.02. Okay, that's fine. And if you need the indicator, yes, if you need the indicator, my indicators are paid, I already told you. And if you need the indicator, you can contact me on my WhatsApp number. You can also contact me on my Telegram. Remember, write one at the end if you want to contact me on my Telegram. Gmail simpleog@gmail.com. If you want to contact me, I give you the best explanation, and hopefully you will love this one. Love this video as usual. Now it's time to subscribe my channel and must like my video. For the next video, bye bye, take care.